मुखावेल्या पंचायत वेंचणुकी खातीर वेंचणूक आयोगान शेनवारा लोगोचे उक्तावण केले। ह्या वेळार वेंचणूक आयुक्त WV रमण मूर्ती आनी दोनूय जिल्लोधिकारी हाजीर आशिल्ल्यो। 41 प्रभागांनी सदस्य बिनविरोध वेंचून आयल्यात। ताका लागून 830 प्रभागांतल्यान 788 प्रभागांनी वेंचणूक जातली। बार्देस तालुक्यांतल्या रेईश मांगूश वाठारांत 12 जाल्यार तिसवाडी तालुक्यांतल्या चिंबल वाठारांत 9 संवेदनशील मतदान केंद्रां आसात। दक्षिण गोंयांतल्या 23 प्रभागांनी उमेदवार बिनविरोध वेंचून आयल्यात। प्रचाराच्या वेळार आचारसंहितेचो भंग जावचो न्ही हे खातीर 99 भरारी पथकां नेमिल्ल्याचे दक्षिण गोंय जिल्लोधिकारी ज्योती कुमारीन सांगले।
The Goa State Election Commission has announced the Goa general elections to village panchayats, which will be held on the 10th of August, and the counting will be held on the 12th of August. And subsequently, after the notification, the Model Code of Conduct has been enforced from the 16th of July, and it will be in place till the completion of the election process. Now, in North Goa district, there are a total of 97 village panchayats which are going for poll. There are a total of 736 polling booths. There are 830 wards, and the election will be held in 788 wards, out of which because 41 are unopposed wards. Now the total number of voters in North Goa are 4,05,993, out of which male voters constitute 48.7%. The female voters constitute 51.29%. And there are 2 third gender voters as well in North Goa. Now the nomination has commenced since the 18th of July, and the last date of nominations was 25th of July. Scrutiny and withdrawal has taken place on the 26th and 27th respectively, out of which 41 are unopposed candidates, and the final list of contesting candidates, which are also in the notice boards of the returning officers in Form 5, are 2,667 in the entire North Goa.
In South Goa, there are 89 village panchayats who are going for polls, and there are 11 returning officers. Each returning officer is assisted by an assistant returning officer. Ponda Taluka has 19 village panchayats, Marma Goa has 7, Salset has 33, Kepe has 11, Sangim has 7, Kankun has 7, and Dharbandura has 5. The nomination process is over, and since there are some wards where the candidates have been elected as unopposed, so we have 23 such wards in South Goa district. The elections are going to be held in 2, 3, 4, 8 wards of these 7 talukas. The flying squad, 99 flying squads are in place, and 72 sector officers are in place to enforce that the Model Code of Conduct is not violated during the campaign process. Regarding the arms held by the people in the areas going for voting is issued by the district collector. Like in the same way, the liquor prohibition after 10 o'clock order also has been issued. The campaign period has been restricted till 10 p.m. and that has to be followed by the candidates.